right, we are at KFC.
Hi, and welcome to Veganuary Day. Who cares? We're getting the KFC Beyond Vegan Chicken Combo Pack.
Gotta do a little taste test.
It's a 12-piece, and I guess you get fries and a drink, but I have to say, I'm a little bit surprised. Well, maybe not surprised, but a little bit shocked that it's $18 with
I don't know how much things cost, so...
We don't ever eat out, really. So, I mean...
I have no gauge for this.
I feel like it's so expensive. I would never, but it's nice to know that I have the option.
Right.
Although I can't eat it.
Let's see what it's all about.
And even though I'm gluten-free, I'm just going to take one bite.
Okay.
Because I want to try it. Maybe I should take a bite and spit it out. I don't know.
Oh, what a waste.
I know. Well, you know what? I'll just eat it, all right? One bite.
Right.
Not too much, because I don't want to be sick tonight. But we're in line. We're next in line to pick it up. And I have to say I'm pretty excited. When I open the window to order, I have beautiful smell of fried chicken, which we haven't had in such a long time. So here we go.
All right, we'll check back.
All right.
We're home.
We have the goods.
I was holding this on my lap in the car. And
Hot box.
Hot box from Sing Sing.
And ice cube.
If you guys don't understand that reference, it's from Real Housewives of Potomac.
I haven't had soda in like...
Did you drink it?
No.
I didn't either.
No.
I was going to save that for Shawnee.
Oh, I was just going to have a couple sips. It's
I don't want to break my no soda streak. Strong?
It's really strong.
Well, this is...
I could count on one hand the amount of times that I've had soda, diet or otherwise, in the last maybe 5 to 10 years.
So this is what it looks like. This is the unboxing. All right.
It smells so freaking fried and gross.
Yeah, but also good.
Yeah.
I want to say too, this is not sponsored. We paid the $18 for all this
That's
chicken.
like $1 a nugget.
Well, because you get fries too, don't you? But this is the inside.
Looks kind of underwhelming.
I don't know.
Like
I
that got caught in a door.
Well, okay, so there's fries here too.
Save the fries for Sean. I'll just have one.
I'll have a fry.
I'll just have this one.
Now, I'm going to say right off the bat, no matter how delicious this is.
Oh my God. That is so freaking salty.
Oh, theirs is so good.
No, it's not.
All right. However delicious or whatever this is, I just want to say we probably would not get this again.
Yeah, I said that on the vlog, that we'll probably never ever get it again.
First of all, we just don't really eat fast food, except for Taco Bell. And
yeah.
Second of all, even though this is plant-based, they still fry it in the same oil.
Yeah, kind of a bummer.
Everything else. So, not really our thing.
If we were starving, we would get it.
So let's do a fry.
Or if we were on a trip or something and
Salty,
the only option, it's very
delish.
salty.
But delicious.
You need like a drink 3 times that size to just wash down one fry.
Ooh, but it's tasty.
I scrubbed up like a surgeon for this.
Well, we also used the most disgusting hand sanitizer ever today that smelled like skunk. But anyway.
It was terrible.
I washed my hands. I feel like Lady Macbeth. I washed my hands 2 times already. And
Out, damn spot, out.
Blech.
Your nails look nice.
Oh, thank you. That's just...
Is that because of the B12?
That's just... I need to cut them.
Oh, they're very nice.
Thank you. But anyway, here is one
why don't you
nuggets.
break
it,
it like wait, let me get in focus. Okay, go for it.
Okay.
Is it shreddy?
Yeah, very shreddy.
Wow.
We got the breading.
We were just talking to Mark on the phone and
Are you gonna eat this?
Oh yeah, okay. I shouldn't be eating this.
You should not be eating gluten, but
I just want to try it.
It'd be nice if we could see your face, but you know. How is it?
Amazing.
Okay.
It's actually amazing.
Mmm.
Right?
Really tasty.
That is scary. Did they give us the wrong thing? Because this actually tastes like chicken.
I can tell it's not real chicken.
Why?
I would say the texture, like it's still got this stringy
I think the texture is amazing.
The texture is great, but it's definitely not, I wouldn't want it to be, that's the thing, I wouldn't want it to be
no
super close to the real thing. the taste is fantastic.
But I'm floored. Like, if somebody was not vegan and they ate this, I don't know if they would be able.
It's very convincing.
Wow.
Very, very tasty.
Yeah.
But again, definitely salty.
Yeah. But I mean, in terms of, if you're going to eat gross fried chicken, at least have one that's vegan so nobody has to die for it.
Yeah.
Because it's still unhealthy.
Yeah.
But at least get the one that nobody suffered for.
It is. It's very tasty, though, I have to say.
It's amazing. And I love that Kentucky Fried spice blend.
Yeah.
So that's why I why I liked Kentucky Fried Chicken in the past, was for the spice blend.
Mm-hmm.
It makes me crave it every fortnight.
Am I going to have one of these fries again?
Mm-hmm.
You know I am.
You might as well do the
No!
Holy Trinity.
I can't do it. I can't do it. I can't do the soda.
Are we going to have Mark and Sean test
Yeah,
it
we're
on?
going to see what Dad and Sean
All right,
think.
so we'll check back. We'll probably have to reheat it, and it won't be as good.
It'll still be good, though.
But
I would say, okay, just for my final...
okay.
Taste, yes. Texture, yes. Price, pretty pricey.
But then again, we don't get fast food, so we don't know.
Yeah, that's true. We don't have a great gauge for that. Salty, yes. Not super jazzed that it's made in the same oil as everything else. If they could, like, stop doing that and have, like, separate oil for this, I think that that would draw in a lot more vegans and vegetarians. But I just saw an article that they're trying to get more, like, flexitarians that aren't really as strict with their own personal rules. So,
well, if that's their goal, then I think they'll probably do okay. But I think they probably need to get that price down a little bit too.
If they wanted to draw in more vegans, I would say it would be really cool if they could get a separate oil. But yeah, there you have it.
All right, we heated up our leftovers, and we had a lot left over.
We just did a little sample earlier.
Yeah. They actually gave us a baker's dozen. They gave us 13 nuggets.
That was kind.
Yeah, for this price, they should have doubled it. All right, it's hot, so be careful.
Is it hot?
It looks
like it's really hot. Oh no! Oh my gosh.
How is it?
Good. I'll bet you he really burned his mouth.
Oh.
Sean, would you like something to drink?
An ice cube?
Tastes like KFC.
Yeah?
There you go, bud. Sorry.
The breading.
Yeah, but if you do the
what do you think of the
reveal,
texture?
You can see the shreds.
Yeah.
Have a fry. Those fries are the devil.
It's very chicken-like.
Like ridiculously chicken-like, right?
Sean said fries, yes.
What does it taste like?
Good.
No, but what food does it taste like?
What does Timon say?
Tastes like chicken. Yeah. Very good.
But we're never getting it again. I know, right?
Maybe we'll get that price down.
I mean, if the price came down and they solved the whole problem of cross-contamination,
that would be a different story.
Yeah, but it's just like when Just Egg came out and it was $8 or $9, $10 a bottle.
Mm-hmm.
All right, Sean, don't make a meal out of this.
Oh.
We're having Mexican for dinner tonight. I've already made the cheese sauce. It's right here.
But I gotta say, it is nice to see companies,
Right.
you okay?
Take it easy.
Companies making more plant-based options.
Yeah. Sure.
One for the road.
Last one, that's it. I guess he really likes it.
Yeah, I think so.
He's super hungry.
Yeah.
It's very good.
Dad, any final thoughts?
It tastes like Kentucky Fried Chicken.
All right. Well, there you have it.
That's it, kids.
From vegans and non-vegans. Vegans?
Vegans?
Vegans and non-vegans alike.
Vegans and vegans.
Fake vegans.
Is that what vegans
Just kidding. We gotcha.
Anyway, I hope you enjoyed our taste test.
Wait a minute.
In full disclosure, after I had my one bite before, I was sick for like an hour.
Oh.
Yes.
Not because of it being
One
like
bite?
gross or anything, but because
I have to be gluten free. So I was having stomach pain
Yeah.
and back pain and
Wow.
yeah.
not for you.
So I won't be having it no matter what. I don't know what these vegans are up to, but let's leave the real vegans out of it. All right. Thanks, guys. We appreciate everything this month of Veganuary. Join us for more Veganuary. Join us for more.
Wow.
Join us for more Veganuary effery. And until next time, much love.